What up guys, my name is Chef Chaz Thomas. Some of you guys know me better as Deathcore Chef. After I got out of the military, I decided to pursue my passion of cooking. I went online and said, what is the best culinary school in the world? And it took me to the Culinary Institute of America. While there, I got to study under some of the best chefs in our industry and pursue my passion for cooking. Eventually, I got to team up with my buddies over at Deathcore BBQ, and we started catering for some of our favorite musicians. Chelsea Grin, Left to Suffer, Of Sulfur, Carnifax, As I Lay Dying, Paleface Swiss, August Burns Red, Brand of Sacrifice. The list goes on and on and on. And eventually word got out to where I got to travel outside of the metal scene and work with country musicians such as Co Wetzel. I even got to be a part of the Left to Suffer crew during the Sullivan King show at the Red Rocks. That was insane. After all these years of studying and finally mastering my craft, I think it's now time that we start sharing this information with you. Unless y'all want to go to the Culinary Institute in America, spend $100,000 and read all of those books like I did, I'm offering you free knowledge.
But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things?
Knowledge.
I'm going to teach you tips, tricks, recipes of some of your favorite musicians, starting from basics all the way to advanced. Anyone from any cooking level can follow along and join us on this journey. Starting in October, we'll be releasing one video a week, teaching you guys all the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years of all this hard work. So follow me on all socials, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, or X, which one are we calling it now? Follow me and don't miss a single episode, and I will see you guys in the kitchen.